Hello everyone, my name is Hafshoh Aulia Fitriani. I am an English Department student in 11 Maret University with my student ID number B03250027. And today, I will be talking about phonemes in IPA English, specifically two vowel sounds E or extended E sound and A or short A sound. First, what is IPA? IPA stands for International Phonetic Alphabet, which is a system used to represent the sound in spoken language. In the English context, IPA provides a standardized way of writing out how words are pronounced regardless of how they are spelled in the normal alphabet. Second, what is a phoneme? A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound that can differentiate one word from another. For example, consonant p, b, and d create a different meaning in the words pat, hat, and bat. Next, we are going to review some examples of the sound E or extended E. First, one-syllable words. P, C, tree, we, he, me, see, keep, feed, she, cheese, read, leave, chief, peace, and lastly, bean. And then two and three syllable words. Teacher, reason, season, freedom, detail, complete, athlete, proceed, achieve, and employee, referee, disagree, committee. After that, we are going to review some example of the sound A or short A sound. First, one-syllable words. For example, hat, cut, sun, fun, run, bus, hug, jug, mud, love, some, blood, month, young, and tough. And then we have two and three syllable words. For example, butter, upper, dozen, money, mother, brother, country, publish, trouble, discuss, and umbrella, comfortable, discover, punishment, wonderful. So, that is a little bit of a review on the vowel sound E and A. I hope this video is helpful and thank you so much for watching.